So they no.
In a crash of ego and pomposity, Nana Contemporary Ferry pulls out Kotoko from the capital cap.
But ego and pomposity and wine all they describe wine.
O can we be who this?
There be Musaman. So no how no one.
Story
what they describe wine.
You know, headline no be describe more.
Okay.
We are don't the pomposity and the ego no is describing today.
In the crash of ego and pomposity, Nana Contemporary Ferry pulls out Kotoko from the capital cap, but Ogum insists is coming on.
The dame so they describe no. That's some Susie can idea. Or Kafana no.
Tama. Almost Saturday. A select side no with Kotoko players and the coach. And some players be our Makotena Hoa. A Zakito and a Nim baby are free. Because almost ticket in Monia to me. Kofato ticket no. Se born pass say I Saturday night Yama born dear and dear. So most more you Kotoko from my Atiasie. But several players na back. Nti mo mayen fa binka ho ne mfa mo kana na kontomponi de ompene so cause they are not supporters in the year no na fo say tintin ya second mo to ka so so ya ko ban no nti Saturday ombebo ti eno so ye
the crowd and pomposity no so I don't dey one crash.
So one go pomposity na am.
There be enya hu di one no je ko go cry. On why.
Say na kontomponi say. Tama nye letter nye wanna read you ha me nyina kan. Already was Kotoko is completely boycotting to the pulling out to be sound.
Total boycott.
The word total. Total just say Kotoko kan on fan hu me hu say Kotoko ni bi no be twam ade hu crowd no hu be twi no kitikiti crowd total means total. Ade chen ya coach ayo odu abre ya no pay yabo Hassan solo yamoye yabo no pay o pay de yabo.
Oh then.
Oh,
let's see now we anything.
Yabo ye de yabo. Oh, then conform be share so say let be say yabo no.
O ma ye audio because me anopa me coach na dinko.
Also omunyambo.
No what he says na say. Omu training or Howard as a Howard ho.
Howard.
And there's some training today. Na ochna. Oma bobo.
Listen what confirm.
And no say nye Kotoko.
Anya born on to moyi. Oh my own statement.
What is switching bebo?
Kotoko pull out of.
Oh so to munya sa that abuna ta so ka.
Hwana sa ta we kwa confirm me ade ama me easy.
But nye Kotoko na ebo.
Time.
Ogum be
na
ya the players ni be matese be a god yan tra. E bi so university campus so.
God I tell.
Omo be start go ha Kotoko for bad you no be more than.
For not take of supporters no.
Where
I tell them we risk us.
One not take come supporters.
Okoro for no.
I'm take supporters.
Management don't take
supporters. Oh, I'm take supporters.
Oh how.
Oh, I'm take supporters. Yeah, that's one no.
Oh how.
Because
they knew what they were going to do.
No, mama, don't do that.
Don't
you know, sir? They were looking for business.
Okay, they spin. I must spin you.
Don't you know they were looking for business?
You knew.
They knew what we were going to do. Sese. They were looking for business.
But they knew they
have signed up to play a football match in the US. They knew that the business would not be given to them.
At a point, they knew.
At which point?
The time, Samu Thursday, and you promised me, no, say,
oh, but they said that if for no assure and that they had no kind of become one for the first time. One ekope so unim se mpa man na okope. So as Kotoko we cannot go and play. And they say Omadro no organizers say players
but our players will go and play. And our coach
are there.
Our players and our coach.
Oh, I'm even told I heard it this morning say coaches no go be free university or. They are all mixing up.
And who is
many problem with
who is doing press conferences and granting
one I let's not deceive people. Why you do that? when he has not held the press conference.
Let's report
Now catch say we are seeing as a press conference. That's not
No,
fair.
he's making statements.
That's
He has
not
spoken
fair.
and it is in the media space.
Mpacho,
There can be a press conference.
No, I got it wrong.
When you meet the Ghanaian,
I got it wrong.
when you meet the
press
press
conference,
conference, social Ghanaian community, social Ghanaian community. That's all no mujina hold in common. No, you don't call it. This is some of these things.
This is a Ghana
Withdrawn.
When the integrity of people.
Press conference withdrawn.
Now to make us say they knew all along. Some would take off. I mean, those are serious statements. So what I be a mobile fan say, yeah, but they are serious.
Yeah, we do a press conference.
You are bringing the integrity of Sabi or any say, mostly they were deceiving their supporters. A statement which was signed by him.
I still insist.
And you know, you don't do that. You don't. I mean, nipa integrity, yeah, nyane no, what taking the supporters.
Chama,
Mr.
organizers who kept assuring them, and I'm a boy.
But that was in the statement.
And you can say, at that time, no more assuring you, no one say Omunya.
But Omo chose statement in there, not Omnim so Benya.
Because you're more assurance.
You're more assurance.
But those that were giving assurance,
And they
knew
said
they were
that,
going to get it.
but you are not addressing those who give the assurance. And they said that, say, yeah, more. And pass so it depends on how you understand it. If Binum the Omni Kotoko are not playing a match tomorrow. But the other fan says, coach or no place be or representing Kotoko. That's fine. You are allowed to do that interpretation. But don't say they deceive people. I think that's not fair.
I smell some deception.
That's not fair.
I think the first statement no, you shouldn't have come.
Saying.
Say yeah, any place in your more.
Total.
And
But they are not playing.
Kotoko is playing.
The players who are playing.
Kotoko is playing.
The players will be playing.
Kotoko is playing.
When they say total boycott, as the normal party, one. I'm total boycott. One, na Kotoko. The initial agreement was that they are going to use say Omenya other guys they never visa na. They are going to play as Kotoko. Nankoma high. Academy boys ni bi. Any boys no mabaka no mabo as Kotoko. And that was the arrangement and the first number Senka. Kotoko 1 will play in the name of Kotoko with the assistance of other boys ni bi omo academy no mabo omo. So the match will have been played between DC United and Kotoko. But with the help of other guys, you know. I don't almost say, but send that now. I've been Sarah Magenta total boycott. Kotoko dini die. Total boycott.
As my kind of Zakito Chassis.
Enemy.
So based on your understanding.
That was the can see Yan Chassis.
So what Chassis based on his understanding.
And Uncle
Kansan.
I've got Kansan coming.
Don't Chassis now the chim.
Or no, but Chassis match as you.
If I go Nasa also there on Chassis.
Me man can say as you. One of them say. Yeah, total boycott. Na Chassis. One Kasanka.
Me Martinez.
So Zakito and Kasanka.
Me the Martinez.
When Tianke,
the Martinez.
Eti ene msoto ene anfero bi so boy mko na otutu kwan siasa so kwen no bai.
Oh, what's our country?
But when visa say am visa no ko do America on. The reason why they were giving the visa to go there no. Like can they say was more like is it betting you is I'm reporting be bet me because
you also bringing another issue. Enter America son say me da na e gaka competition bi wa ha. Abrantie titwa bi ja Africa na wa sha say almost small reporter. Jina enim ka je say gaka for omni mo hwe. Ada na me TV asi. We be happy na.
I want to punch you.
I say enya me no kan utwom di nko.
Ka ho na.
Gaka for omni mo hwe. Onim reason. Ma best player. Your man energy drink. You see, sometimes it is good you try to put yourself in situations. Question I would say in America, the players are in America.
Yeah.
Of course, they went there to play football. Today, organizers na more di. Organizers na more baby da. Organizers na yo bibia omo yo America. Organizers na to ticket mo. Kotoko stays here and omo mpanyim for say ye nya we nti ebuafu. Tie mo because in a brief enye organizers na ama omo besa. American embassy and the policy na say ama mo besa. So if you happen to be the leader, players almost okay. You don't take it away. Any inform so ya boka. Tibia mo de ma withdraw ya tiase. Na mo mranti bia e pebe na bi dia so abobola. Then you go ahead and tell them say no so yem pene. Ti na me ka say bia e wa. But omo no so feel say bia okay. If they use their players say omo say the answer it is not our brand, it is not our name. Sango for bo nchenyi okru from ni ade da bi omo team players. So yen Kotoko de nyen ebo. You can disagree with them, that's allowed. But my point is that okay say omu disibua. Then you have gone a step further. You can a lot of people disagree with the decision. And in Nipa be say no yen pray. But if you are the leader, you have to take a decision. Hey, mamu mobo bia ho, mamu nye say ho ne ade. No so asem foforo. Enti yes, it's a bad decision in your opinion, but nobody should impugn crime, need deception. Like to them can say what you
Oh, never miss what you
program na wo say zakuto nkwaso what you say right high
then most some man take position
that be what's our
position say for instance what is total boycott? What is the meaning of total boycott? Total boycott.
The meaning of total boycott.
Oh, master. That is your understanding.
That is total. Coach, if I will be.
Yeah, that is total. Kotoko force total. Just say Asante Kotoko is not taking part.
And you know, I need to be everything Kotoko.
What is
players, coaches, everybody.
It wasn't stated. Oman Kanesa and to who
players na jina ho.
Kotoko players one more ball from back to that. And we are Kotoko nebo.
Debi
so call your ball na so to say obi bobi
go from Kotoko nya Kotoko the ball man rom ko jina ho.
Why is Kotoko ball no? Almost see yen mo ball no. So one, our justices are not going to be there. Our name is not going to be mentioned at the stadium.
Oh. Yes, now your coach your players
coach is an individual. He's a Ghanaian. Yes, some a Ghana select side. Ghanaian select side. Go to
on national team Ngoji baby Ngoji.
I don't know Kotoko play.
Is it a
coach so for national team ko.
No, asema na
Kotoko apele so.
One of them go coach no. Coach.
One person go
coach no. Some go coach blast of national team there.
But to go Kotoko.
Kotoko. That's why Kotoko is not against the coach as an individual coaching. I'm saying Kotoko nem coach emmo. Kotoko. So Kotoko's name is going to mention the justice will not be there.
But their players
and I'm saying that Edu baby, a common sense you also prevail. There are times common sense you also prevail. The players are there because of the organizers. And the organizers now more besa. Hotel omo there aduane omo ko di e ka omo team yo omo so omo de omo mai ate ase na mo player me onu me ensa bi na yenye house e no so deception obi a wona ade everybody has his opinion every opinion is allowed but mo obi anka say obi ask am and obi disagree obi for me that will not be fair.
But I will listen to you as my boss. All right. I will listen to you as my boss.
I'm not addressing you.
And I will not accept it. I don't accept it.
I'm not addressing you. I'm sorry.
But as my boss, I will listen to you.
I'm sorry. I'm not addressing you. I'm sorry.
You are addressing us.
I'm addressing our millions of people who are listening to
including
us,
myself,
who are watching us. And you know,
I am part of it.
And you know, very good.
Good.